were left behind. And that's when my mother and me, and then spin me around till after sleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could another dance with him, I played the song that would never end, 'cause I love to dance with my father again. When my mother would disappear, you walked away, I would run from her to him. It made me laugh just to come from me, Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I fall to sleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could still one final dance, one final step, one final dance with him, I played the song that would never end, 'cause I love to dance with my father again. Sometimes when you listen outside the door, and I hear my mama cry for him, I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. But could you sing back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's lying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Thank you. Happy Labor Day. Happy Mother's Day na rin. And happy anniversary to Filipino overseas workers in Singapore.